what is a creative experiment? It's very much a directive intervention. And I know we talk a lot in coaching about not being directive, but there are times when you ask questions, you get your coachee to focus on a particular point. You're directing the process of the coaching session. And it's happening right here and now in the moment. You're seeing something and you feel the desire to focus the coachee to develop awareness on a particular experience in the moment in the session. Now, you're expecting there to be some value, some insight, of course, some learning and a change that arises from proceeding with the experiment. But for an experiment, there's no specific outcome. And this is very central to the whole way of working Gestalt, is that we are working in an emergent way without actually a clear outcome in mind other than creating awareness. How is this different from what we might ordinarily call an exercise? It's actually very similar, but an exercise tends to be an activity with more of a defined structure and an expected outcome, often in groups. So what about now us sitting here, if we did an exercise to be aware of how we're sitting? So I could say, I'm inviting you to do this exercise. Take a moment, close your eyes, take a breath, and just notice how you're breathing, the way you're sitting in your chair, your feet on the floor. And take some time just to let yourself be still here as you listen to my voice. This is a simple awareness, relaxation, mindfulness exercise, bringing you into the moment and being aware of yourself here in the room in with me. So that's a very typical exercise. I'm taking you through a process. We're aiming to feel more present, aware, probably more relaxed.